This is a fit for a 2011 through 2018 and possibly beyond Dodge Durango 5-door SUV with a bare roof. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Rapid Traverse AeroBlade base roof rack system. This system is using the AeroBlade load bars in black, 60 inches in length, the Rapid Traverse foot pack, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit, which includes the contoured rubber base pads and the rubberized metal door frame brackets. This is complete fit kit part number KIT 1616. The bars are positioned at 29.5 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum weight load capacity is 130 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Visit our website for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.